Guys, I'm going to show you how to overclock your RAM and CPU using the ASrock FM2A55M-VG3 Plus motherboard. As you can see, my processor speed is set to 3600 megahertz. My RAM is at DDR3 1333 megahertz. What you're going to do is you want to go to your OC tweaker, leave that's set to manual mode, is what you want. You're gonna go down to where it says processor, the multiplier voltage change. It's set to auto. You want to set that to manual. It's gonna bring down this. I'm actually gonna disable turbo mode since I don't need that. I'm gonna raise my frequency to 4.3 megahertz or 4300 megahertz, which is 4.3 gigahertz. I'm gonna leave the voltage alone. Sorry about moving back and forth. I'm at my desk using my phone, so I have to. I'm zooming up so you guys can see it. As you can see, that's at ×8, which is gonna limit my RAM to 1600 megahertz. I'm gonna change that to ×10. And that's a Northbridge frequency. The Northbridge frequency multiplier. You want to raise your RAM speed, you need that a little bit higher. Just to be safe, I'm going to change the Northbridge voltage to 1.3 volts. And I'm going to scroll down here. DRAM frequency is set to 1.33. I'm going to change that to 1.866 or 1866. Scroll down more. The DRAM voltage is set to auto, so it'll automatically adjust if it needs to. But I'm gonna set it manually to 1.49 volts. My RAM, if you watch my previous video, is the G-Skill Echo, which is rated at a lower voltage, but I can safely raise the voltage. Now I'm going to click exit, save changes and exit. Yes, my computer will shut off. It powers back on. I'm going to murder that F2 button. To load up into the BIOS. As you can see, the computer is now reading my RAM at 1866 megahertz and the processor speed at 4300 megahertz. And that's how you do it. Alright.